How to send crypto from Coinbase to any other wallet you have. So first of all, what you need to do is open up other wallet which you have and copy its address. After you do so, you can see this option of transfer. So to send crypto from your Coinbase to another wallet, just go ahead and tap on transfer and then tap on send crypto. Once you do this, go ahead and enter the email, address, invoice, or phone number, or you can see this barcode. You can even tap on the barcode and scan the code. Once you scan the code of the wallet address which you have entered, you can just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can enter the amount of crypto you want to send from your Coinbase account to another wallet, and this way you can easily send or transfer the crypto from your Coinbase wallet to any other wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.